Welcome to Section 5, Data Stories with Dashboards. In the previous section, we created a strategic dashboard, learning about period-over-period changes, bullet graphs, publishing reports to the web, and working with dashboard tiles. This section will provide a brief overview of tools for telling data stories in Power BI. This will allow us to build a customer browser that we can use to present and contextualize our top customers. In this video, I'll describe the examples we'll be building. In the next video, we'll introduce the card browser and facet key custom visuals, which will allow us to browse a large number of customers. After that, we'll create interactive links between pages within a report, use bookmarks to discover and share customer stories, and finally, we'll extend the stories beyond Power BI to the web using hyperlinks. So now I'll introduce the Data Stories with Dashboards example. Now, the kind of stories we want to tell with data aren't so much Pat went to the park was busy, Pat ate a sandwich. It's usually more about sharing interesting discoveries you find in your data or highlighting workflows you've built into your reports. We'll barely scratch the surface of the possibilities. There are even custom visuals devoted to data stories. What we are going to build is a customer profile dashboard. It will be based around the card browser custom visual, which will provide a baseball card-inspired interface to our customer database. We'll bring in the facet key custom visual to help select and filter the customers. We'll build drill-through interaction to allow users to drill down from a selected customer to a profile page for that customer. And we'll use bookmarks to turn the workflow into a presentable data story. After that, we'll add the ability to extend the story outside of the report using embedded hyperlinks, publish the results to the Power BI service, and see how the hyperlinks can work in the context of a dashboard. Let's have a look at the report in action. Here is our card-based customer browser. Facet key here, on the left, groups our customers by their region, so we can quickly find our top customers by country. We can investigate their details and research them on the web. We'll use bookmarks to build a workflow presentation where we can step a stakeholder through the profiling process. Finally, we'll publish this to Power BI and create a trivial top customer dashboard. It'll let us see our top customer at a glance, research them from a tile, and includes an embedded snippet leading to more info about their region. In the next video, we'll explore the card browser custom visual.